Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways that you can use up your Bath & Body Works products. I know that in the Bath & Body Works community, many of us have very large collections and you guys are always looking for ways to use up your products so they don't go to waste. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. I guarantee you have not heard number 3 before. But before we get started, I've recently realized that most of my regular viewers are actually not subscribed. So do me a favor, check down below and see if you are subscribed to my channel, whether you've been watching and enjoying my videos for a while, or if you're new and you just love Bath & Body Works, please consider subscribing to my channel. It only takes 2 seconds and it helps me so much. So thank you for helping me out and subscribing to my channel, and now let's jump into the video. Number 1, Fine Fragrance Mist. Whenever I watch other YouTubers' videos of their Bath & Body Works collections, this is the item I see the most of. These mists can take a really long time to get through, so one way to use them up is to keep some in your car as a fabric freshener. You can also use these in your home on curtains, couches, bedding, or any fabric surface that will hold the scent. Number 2, body cream. This idea, of course, comes from Bonnie at Queen of the Girl Geeks. She likes to use body cream to polish her wood furniture, so I thought I would give it a try. I have this Mary Cookie body cream that I need to use up, and I just used a microfiber cloth to polish our headboard. It worked just like furniture polish and didn't leave any sticky residue on the wood. This is a great way to add some more scent to your home. Number 3 is car fragrance. So in the Bath & Body Works community, these car fragrance refills are notorious for being very light on their scent and not lasting very long. This is especially true if you are using the visor clips. They work much better if you're able to use a vent clip so the air can flow through and really distribute the scent. So another way to use these is actually by attaching them to the filter in your home air conditioning system. I'm using one of the newer clips that has this small hook that pops out the back, and all I did was slide it through a couple of these wires that run the length of the filter. So now when you use your air conditioner, the air flows right through the car fragrance disc, keeping your closet smelling clean and fresh. Number 4, shower gel. If you have an excess of shower gel, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY body scrub. This is super easy and will save you money as well. All you need is an empty container, shower gel, and sugar. I'm using this empty Tree Hut container, but you could also use a small plastic food storage container or a glass jar with a lid. First, fill the container with sugar and then add your shower gel and stir. That's all there is to it. I like to do this in 2 or 3 layers to fill the container so that I can easily make sure everything gets thoroughly mixed together. If you fill the container all the way to the top and then try to stir, you'll have a difficult time getting to the bottom half of the jar without everything spilling over the edge of the container at the top. Other than that, it's totally up to you how you want to make your scrub. You can use different types of sugar or vary the amount of shower gel that you use in order to get different textures. You can also use the Bath & Body Works moisturizing body wash, and I've even seen people use the creamy moisturizing dish soaps. Whatever type of body wash or shower gel you need to use up, you can make into a sugar scrub. And that is it for today's video. Those are my top tips for how to use up the products in your Bath & Body Works collection. What other suggestions do you have that you guys would add to this list? I would love to know in the comments down below. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That will help other viewers to find this video as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.